Hi guys! Another video to react from Glennis Grace, and last time I reacted to her song Nothing's Compared to You. As what you can see, I'm still in the same setup, the same place. So this is a successive recording regarding with Glennis Grace, and this reaction is about her singing Will Always Love You by Whitney Houston. So we will expect another Whitney Houston performance from her. And let's see, on the first song, I Have Nothing, we concluded that she really sounds like Whitney Houston, but this time, let's try to watch and hear her version of I Will Always Love You. I will expect that she will sound like Whitney Houston too.
Should stay, I would only be in your way, so I go, but I know that I think of you every step of the way.
She's beautiful.
And will always love you.
My God. one of the most difficult song in the world to sing. She slayed it effortlessly. On our first video, which is I Have Nothing, she already slayed the song with Whitney Houston voice, but yeah, they have similarity in the way they sing, but she slayed it. Wonderful. Good rendition. She must be famous all over the world because of this wonderful talent, and she's expensive. The voice is like gold, and I love everything about her. Anyways, if you have any more videos of Glennis Grace you want me to react, please don't forget to comment down below, and don't forget to don't forget to click the like button and smash the subscribe button for you to be notified every time I upload a video. Okay, the bell thing beside the subscribe button,